Look at that. I don't have internet connection. It's off. The Xiaomi hub is blinking, and although the router is on, and look at this. I'm going to turn on the Tuya lights. Okay, see that? I'm going to turn off using the phone. That's it. It's functioning even if there's no internet. It's amazing.
Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow.
One of the features of some Tuya-based devices is its ability to be controlled on a local network or be controlled via a Tuya app acting as a proxy. This means you can turn on and off devices even without internet. The device stays online the whole time. This is very useful during internet outages. Tuya Smart Help Center says for this to work, the manufacturer of a Tuya-based device must allow local control features and timing functions on its product. But this is so far limited to basic sockets and light bulbs, while camera and doorbells are still needing the cloud to operate.
I'm on data on my phone. My Wi-Fi is off. But look at this. This is my Smart Life app, and you can see there Lasco dual Wi-Fi aircon plug is on green. It means it's on because it's on. In fact, you can hear in the background the sound of the air conditioner. And look at the other devices here. My UN presence sensor is also online. My smart IR clock is also online, and the rest. And if you go to Google Home, you can see here my smart IR clock is online, that is connected to Tuya. My Lasco dual Wi-Fi aircon plug is on. My Akari fan is online. Okay, the G aircon is online. It's one of the plug on Lasco dual Wi-Fi. My human presence sensor is online. And look at the rest of my devices. Xiaomi is offline because I don't have internet at this moment actually. But my Wi-Fi is on. It's connected. My Wi-Fi is still on. That's why you can see here I'm connected to data because there's no Wi-Fi. If I on Wi-Fi, I'll turn off data. You can see here there's no internet. Okay. Now let's go back to Tuya. Okay. You see there? It's still on because I'm connected to Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi router, but actually I don't have internet. Okay. Look at that. I don't have internet, but it's connected to Wi-Fi because my Wi-Fi router is on. Okay, and go back to mobile data. So look at that, all the devices except Tuya are off. Smoke detector, what else? My panel light is on because this is connected to my smart IR clock. Okay, diffuser is also connected to the smart IR clock, which is a Tuya device. That's on. Look at that. I don't have internet connection. It's off. The Xiaomi hub is blinking, and although the router is on, and look at this. I'm going to turn on the Tuya lights. Okay, see that? I'm going to turn off using the phone.
It's functioning even if there's no internet. It's amazing.
According to Tuya Smart Help Center, Tuya-based devices must have to be set up first, and during its initial activation, the mobile app can connect to the device access point to complete the setup, and then the app can connect to the device locally. After the cloud server registration is completed, even if the devices are disconnected from external network, meaning the internet service provider, the devices can be controlled through LAN as the app is acting as a proxy. This local control function is also working with Zigbee and Bluetooth Tuya devices and some Wi-Fi devices like my presence sensor and other Wi-Fi Tuya devices.
Let's check if the Akari fan will turn on once the presence sensor detects my presence in the room. You see, the status of the Akari fan changed to on, and let's check the camera here. It's not on yet because I have to pull out this plug from the solar panel and see the fan turns on. So this proves that even without the internet, the presence sensor works as long as it is connected to the Wi-Fi. And let's check if the carrier fan turns off once I'm no longer inside the room. I think it has a hard time detecting whether I'm not in the room. Supposedly, in just few seconds, the Akari fan will turn off once I'm out of the room. It took a while, a few seconds actually. I think it's about a minute or less than a minute. Now it's turned off. You see, that's functioning. And you can again turn on from here, from the phone, and turn off here from the phone also. Very nice.
This local control function of Tuya devices has convinced me to buy more Tuya-based smart switches like this Matter-enabled wall switch from Moose. Tuya is not manufacturing products, but it licenses its platform to hundreds, if not thousands, of manufacturers out there. Hence, you can find a lot of Tuya devices of different brands, and that makes products affordable. That local control function makes it smarter than popular brands. If you have same experience, write it in the comment section. Daghang salamat, bye.